Hello students, welcome to Vidya Institute. In today's class, we will discuss a very interesting question of absolute value inequality. Absolute value inequality or modulus inequality solve graphically. इसको हम graphically solve करेंगे. First of all, we must remember the concept of inequality, modulus inequality. We know that if modulus of x less than a, it means x greater than equal to minus a and less than a. And if x greater than a, then x must be greater than a or less than minus a. It is the concept of modulus inequality. We have to use this in this question. So apply this method, this concept, we get x minus y greater than equal to minus 3 and less than equal to 3. So we have two inequalities here. First, x minus y greater than minus 3 and second x minus y less than 3. तो टू पार्ट्स में हमने इसको डिवाइड कर लिया है. Now we can plot the graph of this equation. For this we take 2 points. This line meet x-axis at y equal to 0, or when y equal to 0, x equal to minus 3, and meet y-axis at x equal to 0, means y equal to 3. So first plot the graph of this equation, first equation, and फिर सेकंड का करेंगे. तो उसका ग्राफ प्लॉट करते हैं. x axis, y axis, take 2 points 0, minus 3, 0 means this point, and 0, 3. Now solution of this equation is what? This side or this side. How to check what is the solution? We take a point which is called testing point, 4, 0, 0. This equation gives 0 greater than equal to minus 3, which is false. Which is false means the solution of this equation is, this is true. True means solution of this equation is this side towards the origin. ठीक है. Similarly, this line meet x-axis at y equal to 0, x equal to 3, x equal to 0, y equal to -3. ये वाले दोनों पॉइंट भी ले लेते हैं, 1 2 3 and 1 2 3. To find the solution of this equation, we put 0 0 in the equation and it gives 0 less than 3, means true. So true means the solution of this equation is towards the origin. This is the region on the graph which satisfy both the equation. This is the region. Hence, it is the solution of this equation. This inequation, we have to check the answer to verify. Take any point inside this region, say 1, 0, and put the equation 1 less than 3, it is true. Hence, it is the solution of given inequality. Hope you understand the problem. Thank you very much.